And if you're curious, check out the full video in the links below where he goes through the entire, I think it's 20 plus minutes, which is several hours of transponder footage, and it just gets crazy. But for our purposes, on the night of the shooting, the helicopter office was also very active, not just the choppers themselves, as once again, a number of calls were made from there detailing more shooters. And one of these calls came from the boyfriend of the front desk lady there, who had told him there were multiple armed suspects shooting people, as well as a bunch of other people hiding in the hangars and in the building,